What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, Print Squad, today, as soon as I got to the shop, I saw that I had a package in the mail, and right here is the package, and the package is actually from Southern Zone Graphics in Georgia, Augusta, Georgia. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. So let me see. Just take these scissors and cut the end off right here, and we're gonna see what's up in this bad boy, if I can open it. All right, so whoa, I'm liking what I saw. I just kind of glanced at it. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Bling! Look at there. Bling! It is blinging right here. It's blinging. Jesus has the wheel. I'm just along for the ride. Stay humble. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can even see all of that. Y'all see that? That's nice. Nice. And it's got the red glitter. The red glitter on there. Yeah, that's nice. Just checking it out. Well, I appreciate you, Southern Zone Graphics, for sending me this t-shirt, and I will be rocking it in one of my videos and giving you guys a shout out. And I'm not exactly sure, let me make sure it's not a note or anything. Yeah, they didn't send a note. I'm not exactly sure what y'all go by on YouTube, but I really appreciate it. Once I post this video, y'all let me know so that I can thank y'all again on YouTube. But I really appreciate you guys sending this. I appreciate you guys watching, and that's all I have for you. So if you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, go ahead and subscribe to both, and hit the notification bells, because I got plenty of videos coming for y'all, and you don't want to miss out. I'm about to be starting something new, so y'all make sure y'all subscribing to both channels so that y'all don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check below this video in the description box for links. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.